Alright, good morning guys. It is Wednesday here. Give you guys a little update on where we're at and what's been happening. Well, we've been trying to get this DTG printer up and going. It runs great, you guys. It runs great. Washes great. The ones that we've done, like the wash, it holds up the wash, you guys. It's supposed to be able to wash the shirts 100 times before it starts to fade or anything, right? And so we got that machine down, and now we are working on the software to where we can have you guys go on the website and create your own shirts, designs or whatever you want or saying on it, and create it and order it, and then we get the work order in the system and we print out the work order, and then we just print the shirts and ship them out. That's what we are working on for this machine and the embroidery business, or this daily hustle business here. And so that's where we're at with that, and we just want to get the DTG printing up and running, and then we'll work on like embroidery, where you guys can order stuff and put your logo on the shirt or whatever, and we can embroider. You guys order it, we can embroider it. We want to make it very simple and easy for you guys, and that's what we've been working on. And not only that, but customers stuff here. You guys can still order just emailing us or calling. So the link's down below. If you're interested in any hat orders or embroidery or shirts, whatever, we'll work with you. And but we want to make it more convenient and streamline everything of the process, and that's where we're at with this. So yeah, you guys, it's just been a growing experience, a learning experience. I haven't been out landscaping much, you guys, to be honest, this year, ever since the guys are just killing it, taking care of it, and I don't have to be out in the field. I've been doing all the back end stuff and building this business here. And so Amy and I will be heading down to Louisville Thursday afternoon. We're going to start driving. It takes us about 11-12 hours to get there from Minnesota to Louisville, Kentucky. We got things going on there with the GIE marketing team on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I think. And B&B Lawn Care, Blake from B&B Lawn Care will be there, and Brian's Lawn Maintenance will be there as well. And so yeah, you guys, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, and we'll vlog everything, as usual. And that's what we got going on this week. But yeah, you guys, but we're ready for GIE as well. We'll be back down again after we come back from this first trip down there. We got the whole team going. 11 of us is staying in the house. The girls will be shutting this down, landscaping down, and everybody's coming up to the GIE. And yeah, if you guys haven't got your tickets or registration, I've got a link down below to save you some money on registration, you guys. If you haven't bought your tickets or registered for the GIE, go do so. Click the link down below. Save you some money.
skin off of you?
No.
How big of a band-aid do you need?
Amy will play doctor though. Ew, how'd you do that?
Here, cut it for me. I'll hold it up.
I can't cut it. Have Amy cut it. She's a mom. Amy, go cut it.
Don't cut it, just leave it.
Yeah, just let it grow.
Gotta cut it.
Why?
Because it's all already.
Put a band-aid on it.
Yeah. You want me to give you stitches? I can use the embroidery machine and give you stitches.
I got a band-aid.
You come with a little band-aid, it's gonna bleed right through it. He's gonna need a gauze pad.
Some tweezers.
Tweezers?
We have some, but it's for our cricket stuff. Yeah, what did you do?
Smash it with a hammer.
Hammer?
Yeah, a little more. 15 half, right? The weight? Because I didn't put like...
What do we got, Ashley?
I'm on the last run of 4.
Last 4?
Then they'll be ready to ship.
Awesome. Alright, what is going on, guys? It is almost 8 p.m. here. And I didn't get much vlogging in today. Today is Wednesday. And the guys were out landscaping. And I was in the shop. We were working to get, we had some shirts and stuff to do, and machines wasn't working right, so I spent most of my day in the embroidery shop. I'm trying to fix the machine, our 4-head unit, and so we're gonna got it the best I could, but I think it's time to bring in the technician, the SWF embroidery machine technician. And so they're coming down August 20th to take a look at it, and and just make sure it's up and running right properly, and just give us some training. It's gonna cost us quite a bit, but it is what it is. They're not cheap. I think they get about 80-90 bucks an hour, and then plus travel time and stuff. You've got to spend some money in order to keep the business going, because sometimes my knowledge is not, I just don't have that technician knowledge, right, for the machines. And so we're gonna pay them, learn a little bit, and get the machine up and running, real good. Just getting the truck ready, as you can see, and I got to go home and pack yet. But I wanted to detail this truck since we're driving down there, like to have it looking nice on the road. I washed it. I just want to wax it a little bit. I just want to wax it a little bit. This truck hasn't been detailed for a long time, you guys, to be honest. It's been washed and stuff, but that's about it. And so yeah, the guys are they're just swamp busy. We're just swamp busy, you guys. We've got work coming out, or got work coming from everywhere, which is good. And so yeah, I was gonna share something with you guys. Yeah, we got one of these hitch, you guys. It's a pretty neat hitch here. Check it out. So I bought this hitch, you guys, from Zach Sales and Services. It's a BW brand, tow and stow receiver hitch. It's adjustable, as you can see here. I'll show you guys. You just take that out, right? Take these pins out. Take that, and it's just, you can go up and down with it, right? Move it wherever you want. And it's also, look at that, you can hide it in the back. See that? So you don't hit your knee or your leg, you know. So that you can adjust up and down. And this ran about 300, I think 350 bucks. Or what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna leave it like that, but I wanted to show you guys this part too. And check this out, man. It's got a 2 5/16 ball there, and it's got a 2-inch ball here, so you can flip either way. What's neat is that I don't have to fight it all the time, and it's locked. I've got a pin here with a lock on it, so nobody can take that, but they can't even take the ball. To be honest with you, you can't take any of this stuff. It's all together. You know? So what I'm gonna do here? What I'm gonna do is actually, let's put it back up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna spin this, guys, since we're not gonna use it on our trip, right? So nobody hits their knee. Okay, we'll just flip it here. Raise it up right there, you know. Pin it. Pin it. Right there. Easy. Easy weasy, guys. Oh man. Push that in. There you go. You know, nice. Look at that. Sweet, huh? Nice little setup. Reason why I bought that, because we keep, like, I'm sick and tired of trying to find the right ball, and you know, we have like how many hitches, you know, some have sleeves, some don't have sleeves, some need sleeve. It's like, kept fighting it, so I just said heck with it. 350 bucks, this on my truck, it's staying on my truck, and it's good, so yeah.